Sometimes trading could be extremely frustrating. I'll show you something. This was a trade I took. This is the first I missed this one. Another trade I took it from here and I closed here just before it hitting my stop loss. Just before I closed it here, and it is coming down, and it will come down. I do believe that, but I have hit my risk for the day and I'm done. I don't want to trade now. I'm done. The idea was the pullback will come and it will come. I do believe that it will come, but look, after hitting my SL, this could be very frustrating, guys, trust me. Another trade I took on GBP USD. This was the same idea. I was expecting a pullback. Based on that, I took this entry, but I closed it here. I didn't let my SL to be hit. This is experience, guys. If you think trading is that easy, no, it is not. I was wrong here, but I secured my money by cutting my losses here. So this is the essential skill you need to learn, when to cut your trade before it hit your SL, and it will come only from time, experience. It is pure experience. And the idea, CHF, I knew CHF will come down, and there was another trade on Euro CHF. I didn't take it. I just marked it off, but I didn't take it. I didn't take an Euro CHF. I took in GBP CHF. It was a loss, although it will come, and I missed this one. Another trend, I missed this one and I lost money here. You can't even imagine the frustration level I'm having right now. And on another trade, same CHF, it worked, completely worked. It's coming down, it will come down, it will take this low. It came. Trading sometimes could be extremely frustrating. You need so much experience, guys, so much. It is currently 9:10 p.m. Let's do a complete review. Alright, on Euro USD, we didn't have any entry today. It is on bullish side, yeah, but we didn't have any entry. We might have some entry in pullback phase. Let's see. Not interesting. This might be okay. This was a supply entry, but I don't know why I didn't take this. Maybe no, I wasn't available. On GBP USD, as you know, guys, the trade turned into losses. Let's do a complete review. Daily bullish on H1. It is within a bullish market structure, but I was looking for a setup in pullback phase. My expectation was this, it will come to this level, but it didn't came, and I took a loss here, as you saw earlier. This was the entry, and I closed the trade with half hour or with 50%. This will come with experience, obviously. It is only experience. I caught my loss here. I didn't let the full SL to be hit. This will come with time, and you will know when to cut your loss before it kiss your SL. On AUD USD, daily is bullish, H1 within a bullish market structure, but look at how this pullback began with a heavy price. When pullback begins with a heavy, not only pullback, in every area, always mark the base of the strong impulse. So this was the base, and look how price is approaching to this level. It's drying, it's dried move, it is dying, and look at the rejection from upside. So this was a sign for me that this good, not good, this will come to this level. So that was the whole idea, to trade the pullback. Right, on M5 this was a entry setup. Look at this rejection, support, broken, turn into resistance. On M5, M15 is looking better. Look at the trade setup, but I didn't took. I had some work, so I was out of the city. Actually, I'm in village. I was on a little work. Euro JPY, yeah. On daily, bullish H1 within a bullish market structure. Price rejecting from here, but let's go to a smaller time frame. After hitting the POI, price doesn't reverse like this. Very rare. This case is very rare. What often you will see is it will come again, do something, then it will reverse. So that was the whole idea, to trade this. But you can read whatever wrote here, because at the same time I was in a position of GBP CHF. So according to my risk parameter, my risk management, that didn't allow me to take this trade. Obviously it was a winner, but I didn't take it. That was the whole idea. So one profitable trade I didn't take it, alright, and one trade I have lost. This one was profitable, but I didn't take it. EuroCAD, nothing much, nothing. Euro CHF is extended too much. On daily, obviously it is bullish. On H1 it is extended too much, and very small bar are occurring here, and this was the rejection zone. I was anticipating a pullback. Look how beautiful it came. After breaking this little structure on M5, after this change of character, change of character, it became a, look at how clean it is coming, lot of fair value gaps. So this was a supply setup for me. This was a profitable too, but I didn't took it. It is CHF. I took the trade on GBP CHF and I ignored the euro, because euro was holiday today. But look how big candles are forming. So those who say if the banks are closed, don't trade, as you can see here, that statement is, I think, bullshit. That was the idea, me not taking this trade, but it worked perfectly well. GBP JPY, there was no trade. GBP CHF, I took the trade here, but it was bullish. On H1 bullish market structure, the same idea goes, extended, small bar forming. I was anticipating a pullback. I missed this one. I was out of my house and I missed this one. It was a profitable trade too. Then I took this one, this supply, from this supply I got a hit. I didn't let the full SL to be hit. I closed right here. I saw some signal, it goes much deeper. I cannot explain you in one single video. Just stay with me and you will learn everything. Alright, so that was the whole idea. Okay, it was very frustrating for me. I missed this one. Two trade I showed you, they were profitable, but I chose this one, took a hit. On GBP USD, took this one, took a hit. This was very frustrating day for me. And I saw Euro JPY, how beautiful trade it was, and I missed this one on GBP CHF. Two profitable trade, but still I took the hit. It was a frustrating day for me, I'm not gonna lie. On GBP CAD is bullish on daily. On H1 it is quite strong, so I would be a little cautious taking this pullback. On the impulse is too strong like this, it is very strong. Generally I avoid taking pullback trades. Alright, So I would be very cautious, I ain't gonna lie, but this was a setup. Yeah, I would have taken that, not to target this level, but as I showed you on H1, I would have target very little, maybe around this lows or somewhere. But that's it today. That's it for today, guys. I hope you find something valuable from this video. If you did, then I know you know what you're gonna do, right? You know what you have to do, so just do.